Do you ever have those nights where you need dinner on the table fast, but you still want it to taste amazing? This quick and easy chicken dinner has become one of my go-to recipes with minimal effort, big flavor, and it is always a crowd pleaser. I've made this on repeat in my kitchen, and tonight I'm sharing it with you because easy meals can be delicious and healthy. So let's jump in. Since I wanted to keep it quick and easy, I start with some chicken tenders that are already cut up, and yes, these are organic. I just add some salt and pepper. Snagged a little hug from my daughter who just received her birthday present. We'll get to that later. And I am using my favorite olive oil from the Palmetto Olive Oil Company, and I will leave a link to order in the description below because it is my absolute favorite. Just pour enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Get that warmed up. Add the chicken, and I first take one, kind of slather it around to make sure that the oil is evenly coated on the bottom of the pan. Add the rest of the tenders. Here I'm adding some garlic powder and some cracked pepper. And while that is cooking, I go ahead and start my salad. This has been my family's favorite salad this summer. We're using romaine and some fresh local greens. The corn is definitely the star of the show. I am using organic, non-GMO, fresh corn from the cob. Then I am adding some canned black beans because remember, this is quick and easy. I did rinse them. She had to snag a bite. Oh my goodness. And green onions that just give it a nice crunch and delicious flavor. Here she is again, taking a little snack break. I'm using some organic tomatoes, and you really want to make sure that these tomatoes have flavor. You can tell by the color when you pick them up from the market. We had a side of cantaloupe because, again, it's summer and it's in season. Always snacking. Just give that a little toss. I am back to the chicken, and I like for mine to be golden brown, almost like a little crust that is formed when it cooks long enough. Give that a flip, and then I just turn it over and let the other side brown before we put on the amazing topping. In the background, I have been steaming some rice to go on the side. And we're using, because we want this quick and easy, the Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce. And this time I decided to try the hot and spicy, and my family actually loved the little kick. I just drizzle it over the top, let that sear, make a nice coating. I have to pause for a moment just to tell you about this amazing enzyme product by Bioptimizers. If you struggle with bloating or sluggish digestion, it's a game changer. Take them 30 minutes before a meal to help break down your food. I'll drop a link and more information in the description so you can check them out. And that's it, guys. Simple, healthy, and a total crowd pleaser. If you give this recipe a try, drop a comment and let me know what you think. And as always, please share this with anyone who could benefit from what I share here. See you next time.
My favorite.